Hi everyone, today we're going to submit the portfolio link for the last time, and there are two options. There is a place called EduFlow. EduFlow is a new software, and I'm sending you a link to join EduFlow by your MIC email today. And in EduFlow, you can send your Mahara link, you can write your reflection, and if Mahara and Moodle are not working, you can upload files instead of Mahara. So that's the great thing about EduFlow. Let's look. So I'm going to first of all go and look at EduFlow. Let's see. Can you see my email here? You have been invited. Now your email will just be a link to click on. So you'll have to click on the link and it'll take you there. It's a little different from this style. Join the course. And now I've got a place that I can input my link to Mahara. So I'm going to go back to Mahara and find pages and 50 facts project page. No, I don't want to look at the project page. I just want to share the URL. There we are. So I'm going to copy the URL, Control C, and then I'm going back to my new EduFlow course, and it says submit link attachment here. So if you've got Mahara, okay, you can put your link there and submit. Is that good? Looks good. And then here we've got something which is for people who can't use Mahara. Submit the docs for your portfolio here. So here you can put anything. You can put your Word, if you've got a Word document which you've been using for your journal. Let's see what I've got in SAB. I'm afraid you're going to have to imagine that I've got a file here called My Journal. And actually I don't have a file called My Journal. I've got something called SAB Timed Writing. So let's imagine. So all of your SAB files, if you don't have Mahara, you can just keep adding stuff. You can add your PowerPoints. You can add your photos of your notes. Let's add a PowerPoint there. Let's add a PowerPoint about the meaning of globalization. That looks a good one. So you can add your presentation PowerPoints and just put everything that you would put into Mahara, you can put it into here. And so then we're going to submit those. So you should have at least a journal, 2 PowerPoints, 2 speeches, some notes, like that. And if you've got it all in Mahara, it's fine. You do not have to do this part which says for people who can't use Mahara. And then this you can do any time until February the 3rd, February the 4th next week. And so it's going to be a way to do a self-review. Let's click on review now. And you just get a box which you can write. Mention one thing you're doing well. Oh my goodness. I made good PowerPoints. Mention one place you can improve. I want to be able to speak more loudly when I present. Actually, your self-review, I wasn't expecting that there, but that's cool. Final reflections has got some more questions there. Please write your final reflections. What were the most interesting things that you learned? Did your understanding of global issues change? What issues would you like to study more in the future? Did you develop more confidence in your speaking ability? What is your goal now? Something you want to be able to do, or something you're going to do as an action during the spring vacation? Actually, I really want to edit my self-review and see if I'm allowed to edit it. I am. And to say a few more complicated things. So I want to put the things here about my goal. So I'm going to change this one. Say, in the next month, I want to read some newspaper articles online and learn new words from them. My goal for next semester is to study sociology in English, for example. So I am going to watch documentaries on World Channel in Netflix. What else did we have that we were doing well? I read 50 Facts and I thought that the issue of poverty was something which I want to study more. So I've got a bit more in my self-review, and if possible it's going to connect to these questions. So remember, if you are everything in Mahara, you can put it here. If you can't use Mahara, you can put it here. Or if you want to add something which you didn't put on Mahara, you can add something there as well. Thank you very much. Please upload everything by February the 1st if you can. February the 3rd is the kind of the last deadline. And you can always email me or Zoom me if you have questions. Remember to leave some kind of record if you did Teletandem, and remember to do the Flipgrid recordings if you didn't do Teletandem. Oh my goodness. See you.